Some boats are designed for the marina. The Lagoon 67 is designed for the days you never want to come back from. Sun on the water by 7, anchor down by 10, built in France by the team that wrote the modern Catamaran playbook. 2 hulls, 1 skywide flybridge, a draft that lets you tuck into the shallow bays the deep V-boats can only point at from across the channel. Twin diesels, easy on fuel with the range to cross open water and the manners to slip into the gunk holes when you find them. The Big Cat tracks flat. You feel the wind, not the chop. Coffee stays in the cup, even on the run from the inlet to the outer reef. Swim platform drops to the water. Tender deploys off the stern. The aft cockpit opens to a sea-level beach club with chairs and a coffee table. You're in the water in 3 minutes, out and underway again in 5. The flybridge opens up under a cabriolet bimini. Foredeck loungers face the morning. The aft cockpit reverses into a banquette for the afternoon. A bar slides between the salon and the forward cockpit, so wherever you set the day's coordinates, you've got cold drinks and a view. When the sun goes down, the 67 becomes base camp. Owner's suite forward with a walk-in closet and a real bathroom. 4 to 6 staterooms for the people you brought. The boat keeps quiet at anchor. You hear the water against the hulls, not the air handler. This is the kind of boat that turns weekends into long weekends and long weekends into the way you live. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.